Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high. Plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to release. What do you need to let go? Anger, resentment, guilt? Do you need to forgive? Do you need to forgive yourself? Negative energy carries its own burdens and a huge weight, as we know. But if you let go, let God forgive and forget and let these things go and move on as a new entire being, fresh and new, you leave space for positivity, progression, prosperity, fortune, breakthrough, love. That's what you are actually shedding, that skin, that negative skin, releasing that so you can replace it with positive energy. And just like the rules of the universe, our bodies are magnets. Positive energy brings breakthroughs, and it turns your life into living instead of surviving. I stopped fighting my fears because fear fears you. Look in the eye, guarantee it will run away. And the hardships of life, I control my thoughts and live in the present. I accept each stage of life. I work on what I have the power over and put into God's hands what I cannot change. That's strength. And I trust that everything will work out for my best. You're in the right place, right time. Be obedient, have a teachable spirit, be willing to grow. The quicker you're willing to grow, the quicker that your life, your seasons change, and you evolve to the next level. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.